I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Black Friday things. My package just came in the mail, and so I want to get there as soon as possible, so I woke up early because I really am excited for this. And I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna bring it back, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing. So, see you. Okay, I'm headed out. I hope I look okay on camera. Yeah, I'm just on my way to the mailroom. My dorm is far from everything. It gives me a good workout every day I go to class or I go to work. Oh, the car. Oh, the mailroom's open. Thank you. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so there's this guy at school who I really don't want to be near, and he's like right downstairs, and I'm like he's so cute. I asked him to leave me alone, and I really hope he follows that. I think it fits in the bag. Okay, I don't think it really fits. I'm probably just gonna end up carrying it. Okay, I don't see him anymore, so I think he's gone. I really hope he's not, gonna, see me. Ugh. So, I think I'm safe. I haven't seen him around. I think he's probably gone in a totally different direction. So I think we're all good. Let me just head back to my dorm, and then we can film this unboxing. So cute. I don't know who drew this, like the people in the mailroom or the people at Forever 21. I'm not sure. It's just adorable. You're a cute human. We're back. And done. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Black Friday haul. I got one thing. What we have, it's from Forever 21. I was thinking, okay, I'm broke, but it's the holidays and I want to give myself something. So I decided, hey, I don't know, I buy something for myself. And I bought this Forever 21 purse, satchel, shoulder bag. I'm really excited to open it. All I've seen is pictures. It's a little smaller than I thought, but it's fine. I'm really excited to get this open. So let's start this right now. Oh my god, the color, it looks so nice. Let's get this open. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Oh. It's so cute. watching some VAV news. You should all stand VAV, by the way. Anyway, this purse, I'm going to cut off the tag. Like, this is what the inside looks like. There's a pocket here. There's another one here. Zips. Look at this. Oh yeah, I didn't properly show this. There's like a gold chain. Oh yes, yes. Oh my god, so pretty. It's so simple. Oh, and I can adjust the strap here. I'm not usually a puffball person, but this is really cute. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will try to upload more often now that it's winter break. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! Also, stand VAV, like, please. They're so, look at this, they're so good. But anyway, okay, bye!